This is the best file converter for PC I have ever used. I love this software because it's easy to use, smooth, and most importantly, it's free. File Converter is a very simple tool, which allows you to convert and compress one or several files using the software in Windows PC. I have given the link in the description of the software. Download and enjoy. After download, install the software. Now select the file you want to convert. Click on the right side of your mouse and select which file you want to convert. It will convert into your need file within seconds. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching.